Hello, welcome back. I thought it would be fun to test the product. I heard of a product called the Gator paint stripping wheel. And if it could help me get rid of some of this paint off this wooden deck, I'm all for it. But first, I have to find it. I have to get on the internet and see where they sell it. Let's do that. Okay, I made it to Lowe's where my internet search told me I will find my Gator finishing product. Let's get in there and see if we could find it. Okay, they had it at Lowe's. Let me show you it right here. It's a 4.5-inch stripping wheel made by Gator Finishing Products. This is an extra coarse grit, 60 grit. Fits on your angle grinder. Costs just under $10, $9.90, something like that. And what I want to do is put this on my angle grinder and see if it actually does what they say it's supposed to do. Let's do that. Let's see if this thing actually fits on here. I see a problem already. This is a lot bigger. 875, 7/8. I think my is 5/8. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a little bushing that goes in here and on here. No problem. Just jump into the lathe. Let's do that. All right, a little bit of lathe work, and I got my bushing spacer, whatever you want to call it. Let's see how this works. Put it on here. Put it on there. All right, works. Let's get over to that deck and see how this thing works on the deck. Okay, this is the deck I'm working on, and this thing looks pretty aggressive, but I'm gonna see if I can get this stuff off of here. Let's do that. This thing is pretty good. I like it. Let's see how it does on more of a more of the paint that is not starting to flake off. Although I really like what it did to the wood here. We'll move down there. Okay, this paint is still adhered to the wood. It's peeling all around it, but not on this plank right here. Let's see how that works. This thing is nice. I give it my thumbs up. So, as far as I'm concerned, this wheel will be a fine addition to my tool collection. As far as the test goes, it passed. So, with that, this video is a wrap. And until next time, enjoy.